Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tammy. In today's video I'll be doing a get ready with me, something simple, something easy for a date night. So let's get into the video guys. I want to give a special thank you to Ana Luisa. They gifted me these two beautiful items. The pieces that they sent me was so beautiful. They are unique and they fit my style. So if you're looking for something to elevate your style or something affordable, I'll definitely love for you to check out the Ana Luisa website. If you have not heard about Ana Luisa is a New York based jewelry company. They have unmatched quality items, long lasting, hyperallergenic. If you want to elevate your style without breaking the bank guys, you could definitely go on their website and get some unique pieces. They have some pieces that start at just $39, and guess what, the more you buy is the more you save. They do free and fast shipping within the United States. However, if you live outside of the United States, for you as well. I'll be definitely showcasing these items in the video guys, so let's get into the video. So for 2025 I wanted to do to add more stuff to my channel other than cleaning and decorating. I love cleaning and then I love decorating my space, but I also wanted to, you know, incorporate some more stuff here on my channel because I do love putting on makeup. I love to dress up. I love to do all that stuff. I love to do my hair and I love doing self-care. So I was like, for this year I'm going to push myself to add more of those stuff here on my channel. I just don't want to be like a cleaning and home decor channel, which is fine, but I just, if it works, it works, but I just don't want to limit myself to just one thing, you know. But that's what I'm doing this year. So I'm heading out for dinner with the hubby, so that's, I think it would be the perfect time for me to just show you guys how I get ready. I'm just doing my face and my hair. I'm putting on my primer. My primer that I have is from Elf. Guys, if you see me looking this way or looking down, that's where my mirrors are, guys. I'm sorry, but yeah. And then I'm gonna go in with my favorite foundation. No matter how much I purchase expensive foundation, I go back to this foundation, which is the Milani number 11. I love this foundation, guys, and I like to put it on my arm to warm it up. I have so much planned for 2025 for my channel, guys. You know, I was off YouTube for almost 3 years, or for 3 years, but I have reasons. I did state that in some of my previous videos as to why I wasn't able to post. So this year I feel like I want to go all in on my channel. Most of the products that I'm using, guys, are all drugstore products, guys. I don't want nobody stabbing me with love. Don't wanna waste no time getting my feelings hurt. I believe in those things we don't know much of. There's just so much to see that ain't about love. I'm ready to face my fears. I'm ready to taste the weird. I just wanna walk the hills above. My ordinary life, I could let it burn. 'Cause I just wanna go to the deep end. I just wanna go to the deepest end. No planning, no stress, and no work, no trying to fix what we had. Just go to the deepest end. I never got to let loose, hanging out with you. You tossed and you turned our love into a stiff statue. My brain was having enough, like my thoughts just stopped. Now all I think of is leaving this bad old spot. I'm ready to face my fears. I'm ready to taste the weird. I just wanna walk the hills above. My ordinary life, I could let it burn. 'Cause I just wanna go to the deep end. I just wanna go to the deepest end. I think I'm finished with my eyebrows. I think that's the best I could do for them right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back over with my foundation and kind of my foundation brush and put a little bit more foundation on it and blend out the concealer on my forehead. Kind of blend, all that stuff.
I can't forget what you've done. The way you act won't take me back. Just go.
Okay, I think that looks good. Now I'm gonna put on my concealer.
The way you act won't take me back. Just go. 'Cause I just wanna go.
And I want to thank Ana Luisa for gifting me these pieces, guys. They are a sustainable brand. They're affordable. They have pieces starting from $39, guys. $39. You can't beat that. And they have quality pieces, unique pieces. So if you like unique stuff, that's the website you need to go to. I mean, this is my first time wearing their pieces, but as soon as they gifted me the items, I went straight to their website and I start ordering stuff. And they have some great sales going on right now. So if you're interested, I will definitely leave my link down in the description box so you could go directly to the website. But yeah, these pieces are beautiful. I am keeping it on because this is what I'm gonna wear for my date night. I'm gonna use my old BH cosmetic brush and just pack that in.
Ready to face my fears. I'm ready to taste the weird. I just wanna walk the hills above. My ordinary life.
Peach color really cancel out my dark circles, guys. It really does. Look at it.
Wanna go to the deep end. I just wanna go to the deepest end. No planning, no stress, and no work, no trying to fix what we had. Just go to the deepest end. I never got to let loose, hanging out with you. You tossed and you turned our love into a stiff statue. My brain was having enough, like my thoughts just died. Now all I think of is leaving this bad old spot. I'm ready to face my fears. I'm ready to taste the weird. I just wanna walk the hills above. My ordinary life, I could let it burn. 'Cause I just wanna go to the deep end. I just wanna go to the deepest end. No planning, no stress, and no work, no trying to fix what we had. Just go to the deepest end. I can't forget what you've done. The way you act won't take me back. Just go.
This necklace looks so cute against the black. It's so beautiful. I didn't know if I'd show you guys, like the earring, it has like some cute little studs on there. So if you're the type of person who love to stack your earrings, if you have a lot of piercings and you want to stack your earrings, this is the perfect style for you guys. Look how beautiful it is. It's so nice.
Fix what we had. Just go to the deepest end. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no.
I got this blush from Dollar Tree. All the items that I'm using are all affordable items, guys. I have high-end and I also have affordable items, but I like this pink, so I think I'm gonna use this pink for my blush today. And I'm gonna use my stippling brush and kind of blend it around.
Disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could laugh over little lies to tell yourself a lie. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Waking the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why are you going nowhere special? Just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no.
That is it, guys. It's nothing too crazy, and I love my hair, guys. I'm so in love with my hair. I'm definitely gonna get it braided or put in extension in a few weeks because I don't want it to start breaking again. But guys, this is it. I love it. This is my first get ready with me here on my channel, and I hope you love this video, guys. And again, don't forget to go check out the Ana Luisa website. I do have a link down in my description box. And guess what, Valentine's is coming, guys. You could definitely find some affordable pieces there on that website for your significant others or for yourself. They have unique pieces, and you will definitely be finding something there to elevate your style. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you all so much for supporting my channel. Bye guys.